Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the correct tools, Net SDK and an IDE. Once installed, create a new ASB. NET Core web app using MVC or Razor template so scaffolding is ready. Initialize a Git repository immediately to track progress. Then open app settings. JSON and set Kestrel ports, connection strings, and enable the developer exception page for local debugging. Make sure to run .NET Restore and .NET Run to verify the project boots before adding any business logic. You now implement the core, design your domain models and register a DB context, then scaffold migrations and update the database so your schema matches code. Add controllers or Razor pages and create views with layouts and partials to structure UI. Use View components for reusable pieces. Configure dependency injection in program. CS for services, repositories, and third-party SDKs. Also wire up middleware, static files, routing, authentication, and error handling in the correct order so requests flow predictably through the app. You finish by publishing. Choose IIS, Azure App Service, or a Docker container and push a staging deployment to validate end-to-end behavior. Make sure HTTPS is enforced, environment variables and connection strings are set, and logging plus health checks are enabled. Automate deployments with CI/CD pipelines and add application monitoring. If you hit problems, check server logs first. Verify the database connections, string, and migrations applied, and confirm cores and authentication settings. Those are the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.